Sa buhay kasi, para malaman natin when or what we are really made of is through competition. Now, most of the time, we get confused as to how do we treat that moment and paano natin siya tignan para ma-maximize natin yung learning ng competition na yun. Well, pag-usapan natin sa Life Talk. This is your lifestyle coach, Mark. Let's do this. Now, yung mga tao kasi, mga Pilipino, mahilig yan sa easy money, easy win, shortcut. So, what they usually do is that they treat other people as their enemies instead of rival. Now, what's the difference between those two, coach? Now, enemy is you try to destroy that. Yung rival mo, you try to build your rival or help build your rival by competing it or competing to them ng healthy way. Okay? Now, how do you compete them in a healthy way? Here's the secret. You make them or you help them to be as strong as possible. Diba? Of course, without nang hindi mo pinapabayaan yung sarili mo. Diba? Now, when the strongest version of them and the strongest version of you matched or compete with one another, then whoever is the winner must be humble and try to help the loser. Diba? And the loser, of course, needs to acknowledge na, hey, fair and square na talo ako. Diba? And I need to be better. I need to study the rules of the game. I need to be stronger. I need to be sharper. I need to prepare. Ngayon, yung mga Pilipinong mahilig sa shortcut, what they do usually, nagkikreate sila ng strawman. Diba? Yes, katulad nung sa fallacy. The weakest version of their opponent, and yun yung kakalabanin nila. Nakakahiya. Kasi walang honor yung pagkalaban sa isang strawman. The weakest version of your opponent. Parang ganito yan. Sabi mo, karera kayo. Takbuhan lang. Tapos, ang ginawa mo, para sure na manalo ka. Kasi nga, yun yung gusto mong mangyari. You do not want the truth. You do not want assessment. You want to win. Now, what you are going to do is you are going to damage. Paluin mo yung panong kakompetensya mo. Actually, kaaway na yun. Paluin mo para pag tumakbo na, ika-ika siya. O, diba? Tapos, pagkalat mo sa buong mundo, ako ang nanalo! O, diba? That's how strawman works. Hindi lang sa competition, pati sa argument. It's very easy to remember and understand. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.